Welcome to Trying Recipes. Today we are going to be making some Bolognese sauce. So right here are all the ingredients, everything we need for the sauce. So we start by warming our oil, vegetable oil on medium heat, and then introduce some onion. We come in with our thyme for the flavor and stir properly. So right now I will be bringing in my ground meat. I love to prepare the ground meat separately from the sauce, and then I'll add it later into the sauce. So I used in total 3 kilograms of ground meat. And now is oil, some vegetable oil and some onion. I introduce some thyme again in it, and some rosemary, some basilicum. You want to stir that properly to prep your oil very well for your sauce. Now I came in with some tomatoes. These tomatoes has whole tomatoes inside, so I used this one and I used another brand of tomatoes. So with whole tomatoes and another one without whole tomatoes. So I went in with my bay leaves and my seasoning cubes and stirred properly. And then the masher, because I want everything to be mashed. The choice of tomatoes is actually what I love. I just love it, and it's not sour at all. So that's why I chose this brand of tomatoes. Let it cook. I introduced my pepper already, as you saw, and then this one now is the tomatoes without whole tomatoes inside. So it's tomato puree, everything. And right here is my already fried or already cooked ground meat. Just bring it inside in the sauce. And stir properly. Make sure everything is well mixed. At this point, you have to cook it on medium heat, because you do not want it to get burned. And now your diced carrots. I actually did it so in such small blocks because otherwise my kids are not going to like it. So this is my celery and some garlics and some mixed spices, dry spices, some paprika powder to give it that good seasoning. Make sure you do not leave it to cook for so long. Depend on your preference actually. If you love your vegetables really soft, I don't, so that's why I cook it on medium heat also, so that my carrots especially doesn't get too cooked. Otherwise I'm not gonna love it. At the same time, I was also busy with my spaghetti on the side. Now my bell peppers and some celery leaves for some color, some tastes. You know, I love bell peppers. So this is my Bolognese sauce. I don't know how you do yours. Could you tell us how you do yours? Could you tell us if you tried this method and how it worked for you? I am curious to know if you tried. And hope you liked it. Look at that. I love this consistency. Maybe for you, you prefer more tomatoes, but I will not eat that with a lot of tomatoes. So I just want everything even, the vegetables, the meat and everything. Look at that. Yes.